Baked Alaska stands out as a dessert masterpiece featuring layers of cake and ice cream, all encased in a fluffy meringue shell. This delightful contrast of temperatures captivates with its unique combination of flavors and textures. In contrast, Jell-O salad brings a playful vibrancy to potlucks. This colorful dish consists of flavored gelatin mixed with fruits, marshmallows, and sometimes even vegetables, making it a fun and easy to prepare crowd pleaser. Similarly, ambrosia salad combines juicy fruits, marshmallows, and coconut in a creamy sauce. This customizable dessert showcases a delightful mix of textures and flavors, perfect for gatherings and adding a tropical twist to any meal. The crown jewel cake features layers of fluffy cake alongside vibrant gelatin cubes. This combination creates a stunning visual and flavor experience, making it a memorable centerpiece at any gathering. Transitioning to a different texture, the tunnel of fudge cake reveals a hidden molten fudge center. This clever baking technique elevates the traditional chocolate cake experience to new heights. Grasshopper pie introduces a refreshing minty marshmallow filling paired with a chocolate crust. It serves as a delightful contrast to richer desserts, making it an ideal option for summer gatherings. Equally inviting, Watergate salad features a creamy pistachio pudding base combined with juicy pineapple and marshmallows. This playful and colorful dish is perfect for any social event. Banana pudding remains a timeless favorite, layered with creamy vanilla pudding, sliced bananas, and crisp vanilla wafers. This comforting dessert appeals to all ages with its delightful sweetness. Cherries Jubilee adds a dramatic flair with flambéed cherries simmered in a tangy sauce. This impressive dessert not only dazzles the taste buds, but also showcases remarkable presentation. Exploring further, the 7-layer bars combine chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, and coconut, crafting a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Each layer contributes to a unique taste experience. Pudding pops evoke nostalgia from the 1960s, being easy to make and customizable with various flavors and fun molds. These treats remind us of simpler times while delivering delightful taste. Sanka Coffee Gelatin offers a light dessert that merges decaffeinated coffee with gelatin for a sophisticated treat. This dessert can be effortlessly recreated at home, bringing back fond memories. Frozen fruit salad stands out as another nostalgic dessert, bursting with flavor and icy refreshment. It's perfect for hot summer days, featuring a medley of colorful fruits suspended in a light, creamy base. Celebrated for its airy texture, angel food cake relies on whipped egg whites for rise. This cake is often enjoyed plain or adorned with fresh fruits and whipped cream, adding a touch of elegance. Coffee can ice cream emerges as a fun, nostalgic treat from the 1960s, showcasing ingenuity in transforming simple ingredients into a delicious frozen dessert. This process involves a creative use of 2 coffee cans. The science of ice cream making involves lowering the freezing point with salt, creating an ultra-cold environment that enhances the process. This technique ensures the perfect freeze. As an engaging workout, rolling the cans back and forth keeps the mixture churning, resulting in a smooth and creamy texture for the ice cream. This method is crucial for achieving the ideal outcome. Finally, ribbon cakes impress with visually stunning layers of different colors and flavors. Their intricate preparation and decoration make them perfect for celebrations.